Let us learn how to take a screenshot on Mac. If you want to know how to take a screenshot on Mac, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. If you want to capture the entire screen, press the Command plus Shift plus 3 keys simultaneously. You will hear a camera shutter sound, and the screenshot will be saved on your desktop as a PNG file. If you want to capture a selected portion on the screen, press the Command Shift plus 4 keys simultaneously. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture. Release the mouse button to take the screenshot. The screenshot will be saved on your desktop. If you want to capture a specific window, press the Command Shift plus 4 keys simultaneously. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Press the spacebar. Your cursor will turn into a camera icon. Move the camera icon over the window you want to capture. Click to take the screenshot. The screenshot of the window will be saved on your desktop. These methods should cover most of your screenshot needs on a Mac. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.